Listen to the freaky background noise.
The first inning. That's a haunting sound, if we've ever heard one.
What could that possibly be?
Sounds supernatural.
High-frequency active auroral research project. HAARP is being used for weather modification. The military's own record proves it. They've admitted it within their own documents.
Experts have reported strange weather anomalies, including massive floods, hurricanes, and earthquakes.
And we noticed that we began hearing and feeling a very loud vibration outside. The vibrations and the rumblings have become so intense that it's disrupted our daily lives.
We started noticing greater frequency and patterns, particularly in the evenings. Incredibly loud, the vibrations, you could feel them coming through the house and through the windows.
I started to receive one or two phone calls about some consistent rumblings and vibrations. I visited those homes, and it was a real vibration that had come from the ground. It was a synthetic noise. It's really there.
People have been recording strange noises like this one in Kiev for some time now. Videos filmed all over the world have appeared on YouTube, the first in summer last year. But no one's really sure what they're hearing. Speculation ranges from cloaked UFOs to military testing.
A 230-foot-long, 4-story, rock-eating submarine.
There's been a lot of buzz over the last few weeks about strange sounds being heard in the atmosphere.
It came in many forms last Sunday night. To some, it sounded like trumpets. The next day, the local radio station The Rock got flooded with over 40 now days later, and the city is still abuzz with talk about the sound.
Jesus is coming back. I've heard that it's 2012, the world is ending.
Professor Jean-Pierre Saint-Marie says there is a natural explanation.
That is electromagnetic noise, but really, actually, it's not a noise. It's electromagnetic waves emitted from the aurora.
Whether a scientific explanation will satisfy all those people who say they heard something they can't explain is up in the air.
Just when you thought there could not be more change going on in the world, magnetic north is moving. It's on the move about 40 miles a year now along the polar cap toward Russia. But because of it, some airport runways, calibrated by compass, are now 3 or 4 degrees off. At Tampa International in Florida, they're going to repaint the numbers on the runway and redesignate them because the dead center, top of the world, magnetic north on the compass, is on the move in a big way.
In the morning, 1:44. throbbing, vibrating noise, which builds up to a peak every so often, and then settles down again, then builds up again, and can't be pinpointed anywhere.
It's that sort of a sound.
On Sunday it was at its peak, and it was vibrating. You could feel it through your body, and then it starts to die down again, and then you feel it building up.
Some theories it's the mines, and it's the wind's whistling through the mines. The mines are 40 foot deep, so you're not going to be able to...
Oh, thank you, Jesus. Whew.
Good morning. My name is Carol Rosen. In 1974, I was introduced to the late Dr. Wernher von Braun, in the U.S., the father of rocketry. That the weaponization of space is now first being based upon the evil empire, the Russians, the first of whom was the Russians, which was existing at that time. Then there would be terrorists. Then there would be third world countries. Now we call them rogue nations or nations of concern. Then there would be asteroids. And then he would repeat to me over and over, and the last card, the last card, the last card would be the extraterrestrial threat. He said, you will find that there is going to be a spin to find some enemy against whom we have to build space-based weapons, and now we should expect the spins, and that's the formula, except that it's all based on a lie.
faked alien invasion. Don't believe it. I know you want to.
We discovered that space aliens were planning to attack, and we needed a massive buildup to counter the space alien threat. This slump would be over in 18 months. But there was a Twilight Zone episode like this in which scientists fake an alien threat,
United Nations is getting ready for a contact with aliens from outer space. This is Maslin Othman. She's out of Malaysia. She will be planet Earth's first interstellar diplomat.
But what if there was some sort of outer space crisis? An alien invasion sounds crazy, perhaps,